Hello everyone. So first start off by taking your two strips of paper and then folding them over each other as shown. Then stick the edges and add a little paper on top that is in the shape of an L. Once you stick that, add a little face and some arms and legs, and there you have it. A cute little bobbly bunny. Now, for our next craft, take a pink sheet of paper and then make multiple slits as shown. Fold it over and stick the edges and then roll over each of the slits in different lengths. You are making the tentacles. Following this, stick some eyes as well as a nose and a mouth, and there you have it. For our next craft, take a white circular sheet as well as a blue circular sheet, stick some eyes on the white circular sheet and then add some ears behind the white circular sheet. Add two circles as hands and two circles as legs. Next, take out a sheet of paper and then cut it in the shape of an apple and stick it on another white sheet of paper. Add a branch on the top as well as some leaves. Next, take a green sheet of rectangular paper, fold it into half and then make strips and slit each of these strips. Add glue on one of the edges of the strips and stick them together as such. Then roll over this stuck on paper, following which you will be taking a pink sheet of square paper and folding it into a triangle. Cut it in the center and make a petal out of it. Now you have a bouquet. For our next craft, take a circular red sheet of paper and then cut it into a twirl until you almost reach the center. Following this, cut out the uneven edges and make it even. Starting from the outside, roll it towards the inside and make it into a conical shape. Stick some glue and repeat this process with many different colors to make many flowers. Now, take a vase or something that's shaped like a vase and stick the flowers on top and then add stems using any color that you like. We have chosen to make green leaves as well. For our next craft, take a circular sheet of pink paper as well as a circular sheet of lavender or white paper and then add eyes and ears and some hair outside as well as a mouth and a red body. You may also choose to add buttons or other such accessories. Next, take a lavender sheet of square paper and then fold it as such. Cut out one of the triangles and then fold it again one more time. Cut out the unnecessary portions as shown. Make sure you also have two strips and then fold it into one another. You now have bows. For our next craft, take a base sheet of paper that is a rectangular shape and cut out a door-shaped figure at the bottom and make it stand. Then roll up another rectangular sheet and then stick it on one of the edges. Roll up another of the sheets and put it on top of the other rectangle and stick leaf-like shapes on top that will form the ears of the giraffe that we are making. Add eyes and a mouth and you're done. For our next craft, take a green sheet of rectangular paper and fold it over as many times as you can as shown. Make a fan-like shape and stick one of the edges. Following this, cut the top to make spikes. Do this in different lengths and then stick it on a blue sheet of paper and stick either of the edges and then add a branch at the bottom and add some stars around. Now you have yourself a colorful and 3D Christmas tree. For our next craft, take some green strips of paper and stick it on a beige sheet of paper multiple times and then add some grass with green paper at the bottom. Take strips of pink paper and then stick it in one another and then fold it into one another in order to make petals. Stick yellow in the center to represent the center of the flowers that consists of the seeds and stick them all over the stems. Now you have yourself some grass and some flowers. For our next craft, take green strips of paper and first stick them straight, following which you will stick them slanting connected to each other. Then add some grass at the bottom. Cut out many hearts from red paper and then stick them on top of the stems. Following this, add some leaves. Thank you for watching.